Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Salman. I'm a tech product and innovation expert based out of Bangkok, and I'm currently in the middle of reinventing my life. In this channel, I share valuable career advice, including productivity and tech that can help you accelerate your decision making for a better future. In this video, I'll be covering the Keychron K1 mechanical keyboard so that you can help make your decision whether this is this $69 keyboard that you'll be buying as your first or your next mechanical keyboard. As always, I'm going to be covering from a beginner's point of view so that you'll get all the insights as a beginner that you need to know before you make your purchase decision. If you haven't watched my first tech review where I covered the minimalistic budget-friendly desk setup, go ahead and watch it to the end once you finish watching this review. At all the same time, if you want to stay tuned to more exciting and honest tech product reviews that can help you save a lot of headaches and hopefully some money as well, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. With that, let's dive into it. The Keychron K1 mechanical keyboard was the thinnest mechanical keyboard in the world when it was first launched at the Kickstarter campaign for the version 1 model a couple of years ago. Those of you who didn't know, it used to be called Keychron at that time as well. I've been using computers in my life for more than 25 years now. Yep, I am prehistoric. And most keyboards I've used had either the traditional bulky keys layout or the slim low profile layouts. As my computer usage moved from desktop to mobility based devices, I no longer use the clunky external keyboards anymore. As a result, I developed a liking towards flat, tactile, and somewhat less noisy keyboards. But I was always fascinated by the mechanical keyboards based on all the reviews that I've seen on the internet, and some of my favorite YouTubers are also using them. So, being the tech-loving person that I am, for all these years, I had to get my hands on one of these mechanical keyboards finally. When it comes to the body of this keyboard, the Keychron K1 has an aircraft-grade aluminum-made core body, making it a very stable and robust keyboard. The sides of the keyboard are good quality plastic and they blend very well with the full body structure of this keyboard. The keyboard comes in two body color options, black or gray. I chose gray as it's dark enough to match with the workstation that I'm currently building. In terms of the backlight, this keyboard comes in two light options, standard light and RGB light. Since it's my first fancy keyboard, I wanted to go all in to see what difference does it make to have these colored keys. I'll share more about the light features in a moment. Although it's a mechanical keyboard and it's known for being very clunky, Keychron K1 is an exception. The keys of this keyboard are pretty flat, which goes very well with the width of the keyboard base, giving it the sleek and stylish look that regular keyboards don't have. This low profile keyboard matches very well with my expectation, as I was mainly used to using very flat laptop keyboards. Even after being low profile and having flat keys, it has a subtle concave design that helps better grip while typing. There are two primary colors of the keys, dark gray and light gray. I think it keeps it simple and gives it a sophisticated look too. When it comes to the connectivity, it has been one of the main reasons why I switched to this keyboard from my previous one. It has both wireless and wired options depending on how you want to use it. As I work from home primarily due to the lockdown for over a year now, I have one desk that I use for my office and personal use. So to connect my three most used devices seamlessly without plugging and unplugging USBs, which is an absolute pain, I couldn't have asked for a better solution. This keyboard can sync 3 devices at a time, be it Windows, Android, Mac or OS systems. It's simple 2-button press that changes from one device to another. And it also goes perfectly with the new mouse that I invested in recently. It's a Logitech MX Master 3 and it's just amazing. If you guys want to know more about this mouse, let me know in the comment section below. The bottom of the keyboard is plain and simple. It's a solid metal aluminum body with 4 rubber bases for surface grip. However, it doesn't have any option to change the keyboard angle, which I think could be an issue if you badly need a raised upper half for your typing. Although I'm okay with this limitation and it's not a deal breaker for me, but if you're someone looking for having a raised keyboard, you might like to look for the other alternatives, or you can buy an added accessory that can help you lift up your keyboard. Now, using this mechanical keyboard for the first time and also going through the learning curve, the first learning curve for me was the caps lock keys. The caps lock on and off indicator is no longer on the caps lock key for this keyboard. Instead, it's on the top left side next to the escape button. This is a learning curve for me and I'm starting to adjust to it. Now, mechanical keyboards are not just a regular keyboard. It comes with different types of key options that can help you decide the type of typing experience you're looking for. Now for me, I was already excited to get a mechanical keyboard, that too very stylish, and the color is perfect for my taste. I had no idea about the different key types and how they can significantly change your experience. This keyboard comes with 3 kinds of typing experience options with its low profile gate-around switches. These are the type of feel and sound you would prefer when typing with your keyboard. I'm using the red keys for quieter options, meaning it's not as loud as the typical mechanical keyboards. As I would use it for more personal and office usage, I don't want to be the person in the Zoom meetings loudly typing away and pissing people off. The other 2 options are brown keys for tactile and clicky experience, whereas the blue keys is for touch and feel experience. Now, when it comes to the lighting, if you are buying the basic version, you will not get the RGB color options, but if you are using the RGB, then you can choose up to 18 different color effects from 4 adjustable bright RGB lights. Now, all of this is not necessarily an everyday use. If you are a gamer, you might be more into using different bright colors. For me, I only use it when I want to have a specific mood depending on the time of the day or the task that I'm doing. In terms of the typing experiences, at just 18mm in size compared to other mechanical keyboards, the K1 uses less pressure and finger travel, reducing finger fatigue and providing unmatched typing comfort. I bought this keyboard for USD $130 here in Thailand, including the import taxes and local delivery. But if you're ordering from Amazon, it's just going to cost you $69 the last time I checked. So don't forget to go ahead in the link that I've shared in the comment section, the details, and that can help you go ahead and purchase this keyboard right away. My overall experience typing on this keyboard for the last few months has been excellent. I fell in love with the mechanical keyboard and I love the premium quality typing experience. This makes a big difference to me and I will highly recommend anyone to buy this keyboard. Overall, my rating considering all the pro and con for this keyboard will be an 8.5 out of 10. And that is my review of the Keychron K1 mechanical keyboard. Let me know in the comment section below, what did you think about the review? What would you like me to cover next that can help you make your decision as you're exploring some other tech products as well. Also, if you're someone who is already using this keyboard, go ahead and share your experience in the comment section below so that the community can make a better decision for themselves. With that, thank you so much for watching this video again. If you like this video, smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider doing so. And also watch my first minimalistic budget-friendly desk setup review that can also help you build your setup as you are going through this pandemic yourself. With that, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.